Hey guys, Anthony here with S.A.S Skills, and today I'm opening up the 2016 mystery patch package. And there are many prizes in this. The prizes were gift cards of $20, $50, $100, $250, and $1,000 value, and I ordered 4. So it's different than last year's. They all came in separate packages, but this year it's all in one. And right now, if I'm feeling it, I don't really feel any gift card shaped objects, but I really just got this because I wanted some new patches. But I mean, obviously it'd still be cool to win the prize, but I'm just gonna jump straight into this and let's see what I got. Try not to cut any of the patches. See. Well, they are individually wrapped. That's cool. Alright. No gift card in there. Alright. Payment. Alright. I can definitely tell you right now that I did not win the gift card just from feeling these, but they all do feel different, so hopefully I'm feeling it right and I get different patches. But let's go ahead and open up this one. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Got the bluebird patch. Actually, my brother has this patch, so I don't know if I'm going to be using this. We already look alike. I don't want people to have a better reason. Alright, number 1 down. Let's check out number 2. This one's cool. If I tell you, I have to kill you. That's pretty cool. The knife in the middle. Alright, number 2 down. Let's move on to number 3. Double wrapping. Don't know why they would do that. Oh, got a little skull with an eye patch. It's pretty cool. Alright, last one. Let's see what patch you get out of this. Definitely like the ones I got so far, though. They're pretty cool. Infidel Strong. Might put this up on the top pouch on my vest. It's pretty cool. Yeah, well, so these are the 4 patches I got. Definitely some cool ones. I hope they weren't less than $5, because that's how much the mystery patch box costs. So yeah, I probably saved some money on this, but I definitely think these are some cool ones, and I will see you guys in the next video where I might be wearing these. So see ya.